Okay, so let's have a look at the date pipe. We use the date pipe in order to display the date in a specified format. So the pipe as a parameter will receive a string as usual, which in this case will basically represent a format in which the date will be displayed. We can have either our own custom pipes, custom formats, not custom pipes. We'll talk about custom pipes a little bit later. So we can have our own custom formats of date by using some sort of symbols, but we also have predefined formats. And usually these predefined formats are used, but let me just go ahead and show you both the custom and predefined formats. So we will only be editing this line, and to be more precise, we'll just be altering this part here. So if we take a look at the site now, we'll see that it says 8 SEP here, 11 DC, 19 SEP, etc. So 8th of September, 11th of December, 19th of September. And now we're going to go ahead and enact some changes. Let's go ahead and use some of the predefined pipes. Let's go ahead and type in medium. Medium, okay? Control S to save. Wait for it to reload, and there you go. The date format has changed. So this is a medium is a predefined format for time and date. So it tells you like September 8th, 2016, and then the time here in terms of AM at the moment, in terms of AM and PM. You can also use some other, there aren't a lot of them. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all that I have, all that I know, or all that I have listed here. So you have short, which is like this. So you see 9/8/2016, etc. Much better looking than the other one in terms of time anyway. Okay, so medium and short will display both time and date, and then you have the ones that are predefined only for date and only for time. So full date, and if we just reload it, there you go. So it says Thursday, September 8th, 2016. Tells you the day, the month, and which day of the month is it, and the year. You also have a short version, or well, you have you have a full, long, medium, and short. So go full, and then you type in long. I'm just demoing the differences between the formats. And there you go. So September 8th, 2016. This one doesn't display the name of the day. So medium. Oh man. Medium. And here we go. So it's Sep 8th, 2016, but no time. Okay, from medium, we got short, and again, just a short version of the date, numbers alone, no time. Okay, for time, we have medium time and short time, so we can just short time. I think there might be some other predefined pipe, but I've just taken these. Feel free to check out feel free to consult the official documentation. So 706, 145, 317, etc. So this just shows the short version of time, and you also have like medium. Oh man, why do I keep spelling this? This is like the 100th time I've done this today. The misspelling. I don't know what's wrong with me. So this is the medium time. I'm not much appreciative of this format at all. Kind of confusing. But anyway, those would be the predefined values. Now, we can't customize our own values. Let me just go ahead and write some pseudocode here. So you have Y, for example. Y represents a year. So you can have like two Ys for a 2-digit year. For example, if it's 2016, it's just going to show 16. And you have Y, 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 Y. which will represent a 4-digit year, meaning that it will be like 2016. All 4 digits will be displayed. And then you have M, which represents a month. You can have like which is a 2-digit month, so it will be like 09 instead of just 9. So it won't be the 9th month, it will be 09 for the month. And you can also have like D. D represents a day, so you can have DD. This will be a 2-digit day in a sense that it won't actually display the name of the day, it will just display the number of the day within the month. You have H, which represents a 24-hour format, and HH is for a 2-digit of the hour. It will represent 2 digits for each hour. You have a lowercase h, which represents a 12-hour format. M for minutes. would display 2-digit minutes. So if it's, for example, 1 minute, it's going to be 0, 1 again. So you can see that the logic pretty much follows the same way. S for seconds, SS for 2-digit seconds. You can also add A. A represents AM or PM, depending on what time it actually is. And you can also insert E, which stands for the day of the week. So you can, for example, do 3 E's for 3-letter, a 3-letter shortcut for the name of the day, or EEE for 4, which is the full name of the day. So let's just go ahead and do a demo with this. Brief one. I'm pretty sure you get the logic of this. It's fairly simple. Let's go ahead and type in like Y. Then we're going to type in dash dash DD colon colon SS. Okay. My apologies. It's not. It's HH here. Or not. Let me just. There we go. So we just don't have a dash there. Although I could have it. Excellent. So you see now you got the full date, and then you have the full time. So just go ahead and create another demo in this regard, just to show you how you can customize your format. For example, you can do EE, and then you can do comma, and then you can, for example, do and then it's going to be like D, comma, YY, I don't know, H, and then it's going to be M, S, and at the end we'll add A for the format. Okay, so let's go ahead and just add another one here for 3. Control S, because you can't have a day of the week which is represented by 2 letters. Okay, so there you go. So it says Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, September 8th, and that is giving you the time, and it's also stating is it AM or PM at the end. Anyway, that's it as far as this is concerned. I'm pretty sure that you all managed to figure this out to the fullest of extent. It's fairly simplistic. If you have any questions, feel free to post them. I bid you farewell until the next tutorial.